Three simple signs na hindi ka pa ready maging successful. Una, you quit after your first failure. Nag-apply ka, di ka tinanggap, ayaw mo na agad. Nag-start ka ng business, nalugi ng isang beses, and then you give up. Parang love life, one heartbreak, and you swear na hindi ka na magmamahal ulit. But here's the thing. Every successful person failed more times than you even tried. And if you can't handle one failure, one fall, paano mo kakayanin when life pushes you down 10 more times? Failure is not the opposite of success. It's the tuition fee you pay for it. Pangalawa, you wait for everyone's approval. Bago ka mag-post, iniisip mo pa kung anong sasabihin nila. Bago ka mag-decide na magtayo ng business, takot ka. Kasi baka pagchismisan ka ng kapitbahay. Because of that, aayaw ka na. But here's the truth. Success doesn't wait for permission. If you're waiting for everyone to clap before you move, you will be waiting forever. The people whose opinions you're scared of, most of them don't even care. They're too busy with their own lives. Habang ikaw worried sa opinion nila, yung iba is already making a move for their dreams. Pangatlo, you want the prize, but you not the process. You want the house, the car, and the freedom, pero ayaw mong pagdaanan yung puyat, yung hirap, at yung disiplina. It's like wanting abs without ever stepping into a gym or doing the diet. You want the harvest without the planting. You want the medal without the training. But success requires sacrifice. If you're not willing to go through the process, don't expect to hold the prize. Real talk. I know you want a better life. I know you dream of giving more to your family. Pero ikaw, tandaan mo, wanting it is not enough. Kung hindi ka handang magtiis, masaktan, at ma-reject, you're not ready for success yet. Success will test you first before it trusts you. It's not given to those who only wish for it. It's given to those who fight for it.